At noon, residents in Bristol, Warren, and Barrington still being told to boil their water.
The Department of Health issued the advisory after E. coli bacteria was detected in a water sample. And today, businesses who rely on the tap are getting a bit of relief. Eyewitness News reporter Nika Nwosu is live in Warren with the latest on this important news alert.
Elizabeth, Vince, I actually just got off the phone with an official from the Department of Health, and she tells me that they are looking into 3 possible sources of contamination here in Bristol County. The first, a water tank in Barrington needs to be looked at. A pipe that runs under a bridge in Warren is going to be investigated, as well as a cross-connection review in Barrington. Now, once those things are looked at, they'll determine what the next steps are. But for now, for businesses and residents, they'll have to make adjustments. Sip and Dip Donuts made it through this morning's rush hour thanks to lots and lots of bottled water.
We've been using lots of galloned water to brew our coffees. Our ice has been coming down from another location which hasn't been contaminated.
But they'll have to use bottled water until further notice. Bristol County is currently under a boil water advisory after public water tested positive for E. coli bacteria. This means water could be contaminated with human or animal waste. But you're not worried?
I'm not worried. Well, if it's boiled in the coffee, for the 1 minute that it makes the coffee, should be good enough.
Businesses aren't taking any chances. Though they can brew coffee, Sip and Dip isn't making espresso or hot chocolate because machines are hooked up to the public water supply. But employees are getting by.
It's just time consuming, especially when we have our rushes. But we've done good, I think.
Now, E. coli can cause diarrhea, nausea, and headaches. Anyone with those symptoms is asked to see a physician. Now, we did talk to Bristol County water officials here. They say there's talk of starting some sort of a station where people can fill up water bottles, but that has not been confirmed. We're live with the East Bay Mobile Newsroom here in Bristol. I'm Nika Nwosu, Eyewitness News.
Thank you, Nika. A reminder now, be sure to stay with Eyewitness News for continuing coverage. We'll bring you the latest developments on this boil water order as soon as they happen. You can also log onto our website at WPRI.com. That's where you can find information about the symptoms that E. coli can cause, as well as more details on how the contaminated water can and cannot be used.